you ever noticed this? You can do everything right before the drive, but once you're in the car, you just feel on edge. You drive. You're telling yourself everything will be fine. You might be slowing your breathing down, even listening to some calming music, and it feels like it should help. But then you're in the car, and you can see the road ahead, and you can hear those thoughts trying to calm you, but the anxiety still builds up. So why does that happen? It's not that you've done anything wrong. It's that the things you've tried work at a conscious level. And the fear that you're feeling comes from your subconscious, the part of you that just reacts before you've even got time to think. So when you're actually driving, you're reacting to a subconscious pattern, which is why the feeling keeps on coming back. But once we change that, your whole driving experience changes with it.